Hi everyone, welcome to the world of 3D printing. This is Bulunmaz 3D printer and I would like to give you information about the printing size of our printers. We have currently two models of printers. This is our main printer. It's the most popular in the market due to its compact size and economical price. You can get a print area of 22 by 12 centimeters with this printer. You can print a maximum height of 20 centimeters. These sizes are pretty enough for almost all the models in the market that you will need to print. We even have customers printing big size Arabic jewelry or even decorative objects with that printer without any issues. If you want to get an idea about the print capacity of our printers, let me give you some examples. Let's say you get a small order of 40 rings today. You can set your 40 ring models on the printing area on Slicer software and upload to your machine. It will take around 40 minutes to get that print finished. Let's say you are more like a serial manufacturer with big orders coming every day. Talking about our standard printer, you can adjust approximately 70 rings on the printing area. It will take around 1 hour that you will have your print ready. Another popular product that our customers print every day are chains. You can set around 22 pieces of Cuban chains on your printer, and that print will take approximately 1 hour 15 minutes to be completely done. The printing capacity is about the size of the printing area. The bigger size your printer, you can set more models and more print done at the same time. The print speed depends on various things. First of all, again, the printing size is very important because as you can set more models at the same plate, you will automatically get more prints done. Another important thing affecting your print speed will be the layer thickness. You can tell your machine to make thinner layers which are about 20 microns and the machine has to print more layers. Sometimes you don't need that much of precision, so you can use, let's say, 30 microns layer size and the machine will be faster. Your casting resin will be also important for the speed of your machine. If your resin cures at lower time range, it means your machine has to spend less time on each layer. And again, the printing speed increases. That's why it's very important that our professional team guide you during your order. Let's help you to choose your machine and tailor you the best combination of your design supports, printing settings, and the right casting resin. If you are a bulk manufacturer who needs to print even bigger objects or many more pieces in one print, you can also try our bigger size printer. Our bigger printer has a print size of 30 by 17 centimeters. With that printer, you can reach up to 30 centimeters of printing height. In the next video, I will give you information about preparing your design to our 3D printer and using our Slicer software. Click here and watch that video to understand how easy to use Bulunmaz 3D printer.